So I wanted to try a couple of different things here. One is different spring sizes. This is the original spring, has about 7 pounds force. This one has thicker wire, so even though it's not much bigger, it's 23 pounds of force. This one has 25 pounds of force and a lot of distance that it's pushing. I also wondered if the material was just coming out the side before the plate would push up. So in addition to a plate, I printed a little cup for each one. We'll see if that works better. I also posted over on Thingiverse a variety of positions for the ridge that holds this plate or cup. So between the scaling and the ridge position, you can make it work with a variety of springs. I posted all the numbers over there on the description in Thingiverse. So let's see how it works. Correctly loaded. Medium size. Medium size with a cup. One. The big one is pretty hard to load with that long spring. I ended up putting a little anti-slip pad glued on one side. There's a little foam pad that came with an RC model for the battery tray. And then on the other side, I cut another little piece out and put it there so the spring wouldn't slip. So I set the plate down on a PVC pipe held between my legs. That is a 1 inch inside diameter, so about 1 1/4 outside. Then I put the nose cone and the cylinder halves on top of that so I could work it down holding it with both hands and then clasp the cylinder sides around it. The spring is really long, so this was a 4 inch spring, so it really wants to squirt out the side. But eventually I was able to get that loaded a couple times.